Gina's eating. Did he get you? Have you killed him? Did you throw it at me? I don't want it. It's a nice present, but no thank you. No, don't put it on the grass.